Okay, I hit record. Autofocus. We're in focus. Sorry about my last video. Total rookie mistake. And as you can see, I'm trying to remedy that by autofocusing and having my glasses on my head. So, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Penny. And if at the end of this video you enjoyed yourself, please click subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload more videos. Stop touching crap on your desk, Penny. Okay, so that's one thing I really want to talk about in this video is uploads. But first, let me tell you that I'm really sorry I dropped the ball on Jamie's week of color last week. I had kind of like the perfect storm of health issues come upon me, and today's the first day I put makeup on since last Wednesday. So even now, though, I'm not feeling that great. So, God, I hate you, Mother Nature. But, anyways, since I stopped off on the pink and purple, I did post on my Instagram and, well, on my Instagram, I left off on pink and purple. Then I posted on Friday the blue look, and Monday, which is supposed to be Fridays, I'm doing the green look, which, by the way, this is the Huda Beauty Emerald Obsessions. I used this color, this color and that color. I wanted to use, wait. I have to play with the settings on my camera. So, that's what I'm wearing today. And, something really quick. So, yeah, I had, like I said, the perfect storm of health issues, my asthma, my neuromuscular issues, and my time of the month just all together hit me. And, well, I was down and out. So today's the first day I've put on makeup, and it felt good, but I'm really wanting to just end this video and go right back to bed. Before I do that, though, it was my intention to not start uploading on my channel until I had, you know, a backlog of episodes to post in case, or I say episodes, videos to post in case I got sick, or someone in my family got sick, or I just didn't feel like working. But things in my life are somewhat not scheduled enough for me to do that. Does that make sense? There's a lot of variables day to day. So, that said, I just told myself I'm just going to start it. And I'll be honest with my viewers that, you know, hey, life is happening. I'm working on videos, you know, to keep in the pocket in case I can't do a new one. So, and hopefully that's good for you guys. So, as for uploads, right now, the only regular video you can expect from me is Makeup Monday. I know this is going up really late today, Monday, or maybe early tomorrow, but in all fairness, it is a national holiday, and I have been up with a giant 110-pound Pyrenees afraid of rain for the last 48 hours, I think. So, yeah, that's another thing that doesn't help is lack of sleep with my conditions. Yeah, it's not good. But I love my dog, and if she needs me to stay awake with her while she pants her way through it, then I will. You know, that's why I'm wearing this, so you guys can, oh, you can't see it. This is my most favorite shirt in the universe. I got it at Walmart, and it was the only one they had at my Walmart. And I went looking at other Walmarts, and all I could find was like smalls or mediums. I am not a small or a medium girl. I am a 2X, but if they got it in 3X, let me have it, because that shit is comfortable kind of girl. I can get by with 1X, but I like it bigger. So, I know this has been kind of all over the place, but I just wanted to say, yes, Makeup Mondays are going to be a permanent feature. Other ideas that I have, well, I've been working on collecting footage of my gardening project this year, and I wanted to do a weekly vlog on it, but the weather or one thing or another, it hasn't been consistent. So what I'm doing is just compiling a lot of the footage, and I will probably just put out one big video or wait until the end of the season and just make like a mini series. So that's what we're doing with the gardening. But I am wanting to weekly vlog, and I have been going through the motions of doing so. I just haven't edited anything and put it together, and mainly because it's quarantine and you're probably gonna get sick of seeing me do the same shit every day. But whatever. Well, I'll put one up, and then you guys can tell me what you think about it. Also, I want to talk about new movies and things on Netflix. I am not going to talk about political issues or anything like that, just because people get too heated over it and stupid over it, and if I wanted that, I would be on Facebook, which I'm not. I'm here on YouTube. So, if there are any ideas you want to throw at me of videos you would like to see, then please comment below. Everything on my face I will list in the description box below. And yeah, so this is kind of like a Makeup Monday. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. I don't want to really call it an excuse for not putting anything up, whereas though it is kind of an excuse. More reasoning than excuses. But this has been the story of my life. But consistency is something that I should be able to maintain once I get into the flow of recording, editing, uploading on top of the house, the animals, my dad and his fiance and my family, and and just taking time for me too as well. Is there anything else I want to say on that? Not that I can think of. So yeah, this has been all over the place, but thank you for watching. And like I said before, if you want to take this wild ride with me, hit subscribe and the notification bell so you'll be notified when I do upload a video. I did, real quick, I did have an idea. There is another YouTuber, Bailey Sarian, who is awesome. If you don't watch her, you should. She does some true crime, and on Monday she does murder, mystery, and makeup. well, on her Twitter lately, she's been tweeting a lot about Tom Hardy, who, well, if anyone knows me, they know that Tom Hardy is my man. And I tweeted, well, yeah, I messaged her on her new video today. I said, according to your tweets, you and I may be crushing on the same guy. And we should collab and maybe, you know, rank our, you know, top 5 Tom Hardy films. So, like, that kind of stuff I am so down to doing. And aside from Tom Hardy, Christian Bale is another one. And Hugh Jackman. Oh my god, Hugh Jackman. I'm sorry! Don't hurt me, Lord! That is, oh my gosh, I went to see him perform live, and that is a story for another video. Again, thanks for stopping by, and take care of yourselves and other people, each other. Stay healthy, stay safe. I don't know, just be smart and nice with things opening up, okay? We don't need any jerks out there.